That's good for you, Apo. So, how are you feeling, Apo?
I just feel so tired.
I'm sorry about your loss. I was hoping that Dax would make it. Pero hindi mo kasalanan yun. Kasalanan lahat ni Annalyn yun. As a matter of fact, I overheard her talking to her father. Mukha atang magte-testify siya against you.
Why?
Dahil ang plano ni Giselle, ihabla ka. Kakasuhan ka for harboring a criminal. Ay, Zoe, stay in bed. Stay in bed, Apo. Apo!
Annalyn! Walang ya ka? Napaka-plastic mo talaga? Kunwari worried ka pa sa akin, yung pala ilalaglag mo rin pala ako?
Ano sinasabi mo?
Ano? Huwag ka na mag-deny!
Zoe!
Gusto mo ako makulong, diba?
Zoe, hindi! Bitawan mo na! Zoe!
Oh my God! Oh my God! Yung baby ko!
Tara, nadali ka sa ER!
Oh my God! Bitawan mo ako!
Zoe!
Ano nangyari dito? Oh my God! Yung baby ko!
Ha? Oh my God!
Tulungan niyo kami! Ha? Oh my God!
Yung baby ko!
Upo ka, upo ka!
Opo.
Yung baby ko!
Where do you think you're going? You stay right here. Don't you dare go near Zoe.